Hey guys, I just got back from a workout. I'm actually so tired today. But I wanted to show you something real quick. I've been testing something new and honestly, it's kind of crazy. This is 100% AI. And here's the problem.
Most AI videos still look fake. Plastic skin, stiff motion, weird voices. You can tell instantly it's not real. But what if your AI character looked like this? Same face, different outfits, different locations, still perfectly consistent. Now watch this, same character, but moving, reacting, holding products, and it still looks real. And if something's off, you can literally edit the video after it's generated. So this isn't just a cool demo. I'm going to show you exactly how I built this AI influencer from scratch, and more importantly, how you can do the same. By the end of this video, you'll have your own. Everything starts right here, creating your own portrait model. Click. Train a new model to start. This is the part most people skip, and it's why their characters never look consistent and natural. If you want to create influencer with your own image, you can upload your own image as your model's reference image, or use AI influencer generator. The best part in generator, you can control everything for the influencer, like gender, age, height, body build, country, eyes, hairstyle, hair color, face shape, etc. No need to write complicated prompts. Just a few clicks later, you can create a model that perfectly matches your industry or product. Once you create a model, and give the model a unique voiceover. So once you create talking video like UGC promo video, consistent voiceover is super important. Click Create Voice Model. Also, you can upload your own audio or use AI voice generator. I will go with AI voice generator. It supports English, Chinese, French, German, and Spanish. And input words to describing the voice you want, or just click Generate from Profile. We'll give you 3 voices for choosing. Pick the one you like best and confirm to use the voice. So now, you're locking in identity. Same face, same structure, same person, same voiceover, every time. This is how people are building AI influencers right now. Now let's generate the base image. You can see I already created couple models, and those videos I showed you at the beginning using this model named Ariel. But now let me show you how the new model works we just created. You can see here already locked the model when we enter in. So now you can input prompt. For example, a hyper-realistic Instagram-style selfie of a Liax, shot from an iPhone front camera perspective, bala bala. If you have no idea about prompt, you can choose from the left side. You can add art style, clothing, architecture, landscape, weather, and element to help you create image fast. And I am going to choose the quality to Ultra S 4K for best result. This part matters more than you think, because this is where most tools fall apart. Now watch this. Look at the skin, the lighting, the details. This doesn't look like AI anymore. It looks real, and that's the difference. Now instead of regenerating everything, we can refine it directly, like upscale, make video, talking avatar, editing clothes, chat to edit. Let go for chat to edit first, and later make a video. I am going to add a product, for example. I always keep this on Ultra S because it preserves all the detail. Look, now a Liax with products on hand without breaking the identity. This is where you go from AI image to something that actually feels real. Now let's bring this to life. This is the part where most AI videos fail. I'm using Ultra S again and set it 10 seconds and making sure native audio is turned on. Now here's the key, your prompt. You don't want to be vague here. You want to describe exactly what happens, how she moves, how she breathes, how she talks. The more specific you are, the more real it looks. And this is the result. Notice the motion, the micro expressions, camera focus,
Wait.
the voice. It feels like a real
This
person.
sunscreen is actually insane. I didn't expect this at all.
And here is trick. You can even extend the video, which more engaging for the products. In this way, you can extend the video to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or even longer. And here we go. Now the video has 20 seconds long.
Wait. This sunscreen is actually insane. I didn't expect this at all. This sunscreen has such a light texture and leaves absolutely no white cast. You really need to try it for yourself.
You didn't even realize these were 2 videos, did you? Now this is where it gets really powerful, because you're not stuck with your creative. You can edit the character. Back to homepage and scroll down. You will find community contents. Pick one, like this, and click Edit Video. You will see the original video on the left, and choose our model on the right. Choose Ultra S and FHD, and refine how she looks, without losing identity. And even more importantly, you can edit the motion. With Edit Motion Ultra S, you can reference other videos' movement and make your own, like viral dance video on TikTok and Instagram. You can also choose one from Community, example like this one, Pro Tips. To make the motion natural, you need to create an image similar to reference video frame first. Simply like reference video is full body shot, your model image should be same full body shot, like I created one like this. This is what turns it into usable content. Not just something cool, but something you can actually use. So if you want to create AI influencers like this, now you know exactly how it works. From building the model, to generating images, to bringing it to life. And right now, they're offering 60% off the annual plan. So if you're serious about this is probably the best time to start. I'll leave the link below. Try it out and build your first one. And at the end, I am leaving the prompts I used in this video now.
Hey guys, I just got back from a workout. I'm actually so tired today. But I wanted to show you something real quick. I've been testing something new, and honestly, it's kind of crazy.